Hey everyone, I'm back with another monthly market update for the month of February. As always, we'll look at the market as a whole, single family homes and condominiums, and then we'll look at the condo market. So in February, the average price for a single family home and condo was $607,000. That's up 4% month over month and no change year over year. The number of sales in February were 268. That's up 20% month over month and yet down 15% year over year. The number of homes and condos for sale at the end of February were 862, up 1% month over month and up 6% year over year. So a little bit more inventory, a little bit more choice for buyers. The days on market in February were 49, January 55, and February 39. So we're seeing that days on market start to creep up a little bit. The months of supply are still fairly consistent. In February 2.1, January 2.1, and February of 2025 2.0. So technically still in a seller's market, but if you look at the market as a whole, from that 400,000 to 600,000 range, that's where we're seeing a lot of activity. Once we get into 650, 700, it's definitely taking a lot longer for that property to sell, and that's why you're seeing the days on market creep up. Let's take a quick look at condos. The average sold price for a condo in February was $539. That's up 15% over January and up 18% year over year. Now, that number is a bit of an anomaly. Where we do the average price, there was probably a big sale in February, and I think it was one at the Roy, one of the penthouses went, and they're anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 million. So that's going to push that average price up. You'll see that stabilize next month, I think. The number of sales in February were 54. That's up 58% month over month and up 23% year over year. The number of condos for sale in February were 183. That's up 3% month over month and up 27% year over year. So as with the overall market, there are more condos on the market, so more choice for buyers. Average days in market, 66 in February, 67 in January, 27 last February. So the average days on market for condos, we're starting to see condos sit on the market a lot more. So there's more deals to be had. You can negotiate a little bit more on a condo. The months of supply in condos are a little higher, 3.4 in February, 3.4 in January, and last February, 2.4. So we're starting to see a little stabilization in the market overall. Prices are starting to level off. The overall market's starting to stay in around that 600,000. We're not seeing much of an uptick over that. The condo market, albeit an anomaly in February, it's around that 460 to 470. Be sure to check back in next month when we'll have another market update for you. Thanks. Have a great day.